Hey, this is Shonda with Shonda's Edible Delights, and I would like to thank everyone for watching my YouTube channel, all that have subscribed, left comments, and are continuing to watch my videos. I noticed that a lot of people have been asking about my website. I want to let you know that I do have a website up again, and it is Shonda's Edible Delights.bigcartel.com. So stroll over to my website. I'm sure you'll find something to your liking. We have all flavors. We have candy, we have decadence, savory, nuts, cheese, Windy City, which is our coated caramel with cheese, and just plain butter. So don't hesitate to click on one of the flavors you like and place your order. And once again, I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers. This is Shonda with Shonda's Edible Delights.